Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. A broken antenna on a car looks like a half sunken boat. Shakespeare Gardens are themed gardens that only contain the plants mentioned within the works of William Shakespeare. Two men met for the first time at a wedding and looked just like each other and were wearing the same outfit. A lion's tongue is so rough it can strip meat from bone. These three random men sleeping look like the same person. People are more generous when they think they are being watched, even by a picture of eyes. This tree looks like straight up broccoli. In 1494, the Medici family hired Michelangelo to build a snowman. The way she can bend her fingers. If you have hiccups, swallow a spoonful of dry sugar slowly. His left pupil slowly overtook his iris at 17, while his right eye has a striking mix of brown and blue since birth. If you feel anxious, try gently tapping your forehead. This person has Marfan syndrome, a connective tissue condition marked by long, slender, spider-like fingers. A physics teacher teaching surfing 1970. Somali actor Barkhat Abdi received only $65,000 for his award-winning supporting role in the film Captain Phillips. After production, he returned to selling mobile phones at his brother's shop in Minneapolis Mall. She has a fissured tongue, a harmless condition marked by deep grooves or cracks on the surface of the tongue. In China, farmers genetically modify mangoes to remove the seed. Hypermobility allows this man to grip things backwards. A woman from Borneo, Malaysia, 1910. Economy sitting in the 1960s versus today. Elephant numbers in parts of Africa are increasing for the first time in decades. A bee covered in pollen. Indian Air Force helicopters in the 1970s were made to look like elephants. Taj Mahal has been named the most beautiful building in the world. 4 black jet eggs have been found in the depths of the Pacific Ocean, oozing mysterious black worms. Deserts may bloom again. A Norwegian company is transforming barren land into farmland using water mixed with clay. 6-9 versus 5-1. A spider monkey's skeleton. What a peeled aloe vera leaf looks like. A meatball made from woolly mammoth's DNA. Barack Obama dressed as a pirate with his mother Stanley Ann in the 1960s. A woman from the Lakota Native American tribe 1904. A woman from America 1908. Samurai carried Tessin iron fans disguised as regular folding fans that doubled as close combat weapons, popular from the 14th century, especially where swords were banned Tessin could deflect knives and darts to be used in duels, making them discreet yet deadly tools. In 1960, Dr. C.S. famously won a $50 bet by writing his classic book Green Eggs and Ham using a vocabulary of only 50 unique words. This creative constraint did not stop it from becoming a beloved bestseller, ultimately helping generations of children to learn and read. In 50 million years, there could be kangaroos hopping around Shanghai. The entire continent of Australia moves toward Asia by about 2.8 inches each year and will eventually collide with China and form a new supercontinent, Pangaea Ultima. There's already been enough of a shift to cause GPS problems, so Australia's coordinates will hop north 5.9 feet on January 1, 2017 to make up the difference. This country has no airport, no currency of its own, and yet is the wealthiest nation in Europe. It's not Switzerland. No, we are not talking about Switzerland. This place is even smaller and even richer. The basics will surprise you. No airport, no official language of its own, uses another country's currency, and still has no external debt. A life of abundance. Citizens here are so wealthy that many don't need to work at all. They spend their lives doing what they love. Tax rates are low, wealth is quietly held, not flaunted. Respect over riches. Making noise is considered rude. Neighbors treat each other with mutual respect. Flashy displays of money are seen as bad manners. Almost no crime. Most people don't lock their doors. There are only 7 prisoners and they receive restaurant meals. The entire country has fewer than 100 police officers. A hidden European gem, population just over 30,000. Service workers commute in from Germany and Austria. Citizens enjoy benefits 5 times greater than the average of American. The country's name Liechtenstein, a place where peace, privacy and prosperity quietly thrive.